Hey Shiba Army, welcome back guys. Taking a look at the charts right now, you can see Shiba Inu coming in at 803. 5 zeros of course guys. So having a bit of a round red day here, down almost 8% in the last 24 hours. Volume is not actually down too much, just a 1.5%, coming in at 458 million. Market cap down quite a bit, 3.1 billion. As you can see, we had some highs and lows yesterday during the last 24 hours. Dipping into that 7 range. Now this is not good. We were kind of breaking that support at 8, but you know what guys, we had a lot of anticipation, a lot of hype, and a lot of people just aren't happy with the price action with Shiba Inu, expecting that it would have went to a cent or a dollar because of Shiba swap. But here's the 1-day chart. As you can see, nothing but a downward trajectory. Here we go, big dip here, as you can see, but it still held it within the 8 yesterday, and here we go right in the early morning. Of course, this always seems to happen in this 3 to 4 a.m., sometimes 6 to 7 a.m. as well, and you're going to see this happen. Not too much, not too bad. It's coming up a bit. Of course, people probably scooped on that dip. You know, if I were up in the morning, I would have definitely picked up some as well. I've been waiting for it to go below 8. But at the same time, guys, we're always going to have red days, right? We had a few nice green days, of course, with the release of Shiba Swap. But now, as I said, you know, the anticipation, the hype is kind of dying down now. So we're going to kind of go with the rest of the market. But let's take a look at a couple other things. As you can see, our holders still kind of being in that same range, 584,000. This is slowing down as well because the word is out. People who are in SHIB are already in Shiba Inu. Now we just got to get the word out to other people. So this will drastically change, in my opinion, when we start seeing Coinbase Pro listing. Now they did list it, but then it quickly got put back on the back burner because of the delay. But as well, Robinhood, WEBULL, you know, when we start seeing these other major brokers and exchanges list Shiba Inu, we're going to see an influx of new users and get us to that 1 million users by the end of the year, which is my goal, what I'm thinking will be. Now guys, just to reiterate this, I'm an affiliate of WEBULL, so all you got to do is deposit $5, guys. Price of a cup of coffee. You can't buy much for $5 this day. And remember, this is not money you're giving to WEBULL. You're just putting it in the account just to open it, and then you're gonna get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, guys, and you can sell those stocks. All right, so now let's take a look at the global crypto market. All right, guys, coming back to CoinMarketCap to take a look at the global crypto market. As you can see, global crypto market down almost 7%, which is in line with SHIB, right? As you can see, we went back to SHIB almost 8% down, 7.95, and global crypto market 6.78, so a percent difference, so very much in line. So now you can understand why SHIB is also in the red, right? May not have entirely to do with SHIB swap, which I believe it isn't. It's more to do with the flow of the market. As you can see, Bitcoin down over 6%, coming down back into this $32,000 level. We really can't get past that 35. Now we touched $35,000 I think on Monday or Tuesday, but quickly started coming down 34, 33, and now you see guys really stuck in that level. Even Ethereum, we started getting into that $2,300 range. Thought we were going to break out of it, but as you see, coming right back down, almost down 10% in the day in the $2,100 range. So the market's in a bit of a undecisive type of manner. It's not really going up and it's not really going down. It's kind of staying in this flat area, right? Bitcoin's been in this 32, as I mentioned, to 35 level for quite some time. Ethereum as well, been in like $2,000, $2,200 level, and then we start getting the hopes up when we see it in 2,300. I think it was 2,350 yesterday, and then we have that anticipation that it's going to break out. But market is just being weak this week, guys. It's one of these red weeks. As you can see, Dogecoin really coming down. Look at this, 21 cents now. Now guys, taking a look at Leash, as you can see, Leash down over 20%. Wow, we haven't seen it this low in quite some time. As you can see here, $1,900.44 right here. Volume down over 68%. Wow, almost 70% in the red. Definitely not looking good. Just last Monday, the day before the AMA on the 29th of June, we saw this hit a high of $4,500. And then the next day, it even held up. It went to about $4,400. And ever since then, it's pretty much come down. Now, obviously, there was a lot of hype, a lot of anticipation with Leash and Shiba Swap, but as you see, it's been nothing but on its way down. Now this is from last Thursday, so let's break it out into the 1 month so we can see it a little better on the chart. Now as you can see, we're going to look at it. Here's this nice pop from last week, Monday, Tuesday, getting into the AMA, and then boom, right after the AMA, big drastic drop coming down to like 32, 3,000 right there. And then it kind of started to get some life back into it. Probably a lot of people thinking, wow, it was just at $4,500. Now it's at $3,000. That's a great gain right there. And then it tried to get some momentum. But of course, guys, as you see, starting Monday with the release of like Shiba Swap, boom, on its way down. And I don't think it's done coming down because the entire market, as we mentioned, is on its big decline. Everything in the red, as you can see. Is there any green? Okay, one or two in the green. So obviously, you know, these bigger assets that have higher price tags take a bigger hit. Now, guys, we're still waiting to hear from 𝗙𝗘𝗘 whether the confirmation is a pass or a fail. We know it's a pass, but we still want to see the confirmation from 𝗙𝗘𝗘, of course, and getting to be able to view the report. So going on to 𝗙𝗘𝗘 here, you can see it's still onboarding. Now, it was mentioned in the Discord yesterday that we should see the report today, but I'm thinking today, tomorrow, for sure, we should see the report. They already released Shiba Swap. We just want to kind of go over the report. All right, guys, here we are on Shiba Swap. Now, just want to mention, guys, I hope everybody was able to connect your wallet, do everything you wanted to do, whether you wanted to start some digging or burying and staking your coin tokens. Now, I did release a tutorial last night on how to use the basic features, kind of walking you through digging, burying, staking, and swapping. So hopefully you had a chance to watch that. If not, take a look at it, guys. I'll have more videos coming out in the future. But why I'm here, what I want to show you is look at the total volume liquidity, which is locked up $1.51 billion worth. That is incredible. Shiba Swap has only been out for a little over 2 days. I would say right now about 53 hours, right? Came out about 4 in the morning on Tuesday morning. Now it's Thursday morning. So about 53 hours and we have 1.51 billion. This is huge. Now, I'm going to take you to a post that will shed some light on this a little better. So look at this, guys. It took Sushi Swap 1 year to get up to $2.9 billion worth. And here we are in a little over 2 days at 1.5. So more than half of Sushi Swap in 2 days compared to a year. That's pretty impressive. And here's the stat for Shiba Swap. 1 day we are at 1.14 billion. In Uniswap, which is probably the most popular, the biggest of all, 4 years it got to 5.7 billion. So what do you guys think? We're going to definitely surpass this. I think we're going to surpass Sushi Swap within the next few weeks, possibly by September, by the end of summer. And by end of year, I think we're going to surpass Uniswap. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Is this just a major run up right now because Shiba Swap was just released? Or do you think we're going to surpass both of these assets, Sushi Swap and Uniswap, by the end of the year? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, guys, as you can see, price coming down a bit. So that's all I have for you in this video, guys. Please consider subscribing, turning on those post notifications. Drop the video a like. I will have more Shiba Swap tutorial videos coming out shortly, probably later today, if not tomorrow, as well as more videos constantly coming out. And guys, just remember, as an affiliate of WEBULL, sign up, put in that $5, get those 2 free stocks, $2,000, $300. You're going to get them. You're going to make lots of money. You're going to be rich, maybe. Who knows? Maybe you won't. I don't know. Maybe you'll get stocks that are worth only $11. So you're either going to get $11 worth of stocks or $2,000 to $300 in between that range, guys. Then you can sell them and do whatever you want to do. You can even go pick up some leash if you want to, because it's coming down quite drastically in price. All right, guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next Shiba Inu video.